Octane. It's an alkane that was discovered by Edwin L. Drake in August of 1859 at a site on Oil Creek near Titusville, Pennsylvania. He was the first to drill for crude oil 69 feet under the ground. The technique he used is still being used today by companies that drill for hydrocarbons. Back then, they used oil a lot as fuel for their lamps, even though it was hard to get. Edwin drilled for oil, and since it took so long, less budget was being donated to him and he became poor. Then one day he found oil at the top of the drill. Dangers and properties. Octane can be mildly irritating to your eyes, nose, throat, and skin. It's highly flammable and can cause vomiting if you ingest it. And exposing yourself to it for a long time or a lot of times can cause dermatitis. Its formula is C8H18. Its molecular weight is 114.23 g per mole. You can describe it as a colorless liquid that smells like gasoline. It's less dense than water, a gas at 126 degrees Celsius and up, and a solid at negative 56.8 degrees Celsius and below. Uses. Octane is used in fuel, and you can see it in the octane rating. You may see this as the 87, 89, and 93 numbers when refueling your car. Some cars need higher octane ratings or it will not function properly. The octane rating tells you how much of the fuel is octane, and the higher it is, the better it is at resisting knock because octane handles compression well. An MIT study estimates that if more people use a higher octane rating, the US could cut their annual CO2 emissions by 15 million tons. If you're wondering why, here's an explanation. Since octane handles compression well, less waste is made and more fuel is turned from chemical energy to mechanical energy. That was a summary of Octane, and thank you for listening.